Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Jersey Nick Moto. Today we're taking a ride down to Tom's Tavern in Farmingdale for bike night. Never been there before, so I figured I'd go check it out. If I remember correctly, I think they said they got $5 bar pies and $2 buds, so I don't know if any better way to spend a Wednesday night than some beer, pizza, and motorcycles to break up the work week. Let's celebrate the fact that it's Wednesday. We're almost over the hump. The weekend is in sight. It's pretty early. It's only about 4 o'clock, so I don't know how many bikes, if any, will be there, but we'll check it out. Well, that's it guys. Tom's Tavern, bike night. It's a cool little spot. Pizza was pretty good, beer was cold. I'll go back. A few nice old bikes there. Everybody was really cool in there. It was a nice time. As usual guys, thank you for checking out the channel. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. I'm just going to head up north, head on home now. Ride into the sunset. 2 more days of work and then the weekend's here.
Prepare to turn right in half a mile.
So if you like this video, leave me a like, leave me a comment. If you have not yet, please hit that subscribe button. As always, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Keep your head on a swivel out there. Later.